Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is July 30th, coming up on the end of the month. We've got corn down about 2 1/4, beans down 8 3/4, with wheat slightly higher. So very thin trade overnight. We may see that continue throughout the week. Not a lot of news to talk about, but we are still on weather watch, so that's going to continue. We're going to get rain. Next week, the 6 to 10 day forecast still has got some decent rain in it. The 11 to 15 day dries out a little bit, but we need these rains. We are approaching August very quickly, and the beans are going to react if we do see the rains. So these are all things that are going to be watched. Now, the overnight weather models almost identical to the models that we had yesterday afternoon. So guys are going to be watching that again. It's just if this rain comes, we're going to continue to work lower. As I mentioned, beans down 8 3/4 cents, continuing to push back. We had gapped higher over the weekend. Now we've gone back. We've filled that gap now and a little bit below. So a weaker close down below that gap fill, that 1087. And, we could see some more selling as well. But watch the weather. That's going to be the primary driver in that scenario. Export sales, got to watch this 8 o'clock time frame, see if we continue to see some sales. But we have seen some decent sales for the past few weeks. But that will be watched as well, maybe to see if we get a little support from that. But overall, the weather is going to be the primary factor. No major news besides that as far as the grains. So bigger news, though, in livestock. Packer break-evens now 165.22. Box beef up big. Choice up 204. Select up 286. Very, very strong, but we're not seeing any bids or asks yet out in the country. So, but expecting to see some higher trades with numbers like these. Cattle right now trading about 40 cents higher, but very, very strong, and we continue to be on this enormous pace that we've seen the last week. It looks like we're going to stay that way here this week as well. Now, hogs, a completely different story. Down 75 once again. The trend is certainly lower for hogs. We continue to see fund money come out of the hogs, but we did have cutout values up about 19 cents yesterday. But overall, no major news to really support this market. The trends are broke, and we're going to probably continue to gravitate lower yet for these hogs. Stock market got excited a little bit this morning. Second quarter GDP up 4%. They were expecting 3%. So it's got the stock market about 70 points higher to start the day. Gold down $5. Silver is about unchanged. But the dollar finding some support there as well, up 20 points. So very strong move for the dollar as well. If you guys have any questions throughout the day, feel free to give us a call. You can reach us here at 800-262-7538. Or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day today. We'll talk to you again tomorrow morning.